Welcome back, friends. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY scented candles. Crafting your own candles at home is not only a fun and rewarding project, but also a great way to add a personal touch to your living space. Let's get started with the essentials you'll need. First, gather your supplies. Wax, wicks, a pot for melting, a thermometer, and your favorite scents and colors. Soy wax is a popular choice for its clean burn and ease of use. Cut your wick to be about 2 inches taller than your container. Now let's talk about the melting process. Use a double boiler to gently melt your wax. Heating it too quickly can cause it to burn, which affects the scent and color. Keep an eye on the thermometer, aiming for around 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the wax is melted, remove it from heat and let it cool slightly. This is the perfect time to add your chosen fragrance. Essential oils and candle scents are both excellent options. Add about 1 ounce of fragrance per pound of wax for a balanced aroma. Stir gently, making sure the scent is well incorporated. Next, prepare your candle container. Secure the wick at the center using a wick holder, or simply tie it around a pencil laid across the container's mouth. This ensures it stays upright as you pour the wax. Carefully pour the wax into the container, leaving a bit of room at the top. Let it sit for a few minutes, and if you notice a dip forming around the wick, don't worry. You can fix this later with a top-off pour. Now let the candles cool and solidify. This can take several hours, so it's a good opportunity to clean up your workspace or start another batch. Once they're ready, trim the wick to about 1/4 of an inch. This helps the candle burn evenly. And there you have it, your own handcrafted scented candles, perfect for adding warmth and ambiance to any room. Try experimenting with different scents and colors for a truly personalized touch. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this DIY project, don't forget to hit subscribe for more creative ideas. Happy candle making, and see you next time.